So, hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening, guys. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I'm the financial expert for the day, and along with my buddy, my friend Alex. So, again, today we are going to have a friendly match. So, it's going to be a trading battle where me and Alex, we both of us, we are going to use our own strategies. We will be explaining that also. So, you will be having two times information, two times strategies, and of course two mindset will be working all together just to help you with all your trading concerns. So make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, those who are joining for the first time, because we are used to conduct sessions every now and then where we are talking about different technical strategies, market news, market updates, just to help you with your trading concerns. I will just keep on explaining everything, but before that, I just want to give a very warm welcome to Alex. So, Alex, thank you so much for joining today, buddy.
Hello, Kunal, and nice to have me once again. I remember you made mention of having a rematch today, and yeah, it's an honor to see our viewers also join in, and let's see how today ends.
Today, I believe that today I'm not going to be too soft with you. Let me be honest. So, I'm not going to be soft with my guest, okay?
I hope so.
Yeah. So, traders, as you might be aware that whenever we are conducting such sessions, like where there are some such challenges or some, battles are there. So, of course, you will be getting one more thing in addition. So, there is going to be a giveaway for $10 risk-free trade. So, there is going to be a contest where you are also supposed to participate. I have sent all the, Google form link details. I have pasted it already in the description section. At the same time, let me paste it in the comment section also, so you can pick this Google form. And let me just give you a quick brief about that one. At the same time, I can see that traders are also joining, so I believe we will be able to connect much of the traders, and then we will kick off the session. So let me just give you a quick brief that how today's session is going to work. So the Google form which I have shared with you, just open that one. In that, you will find some details which you need to fill. First one is your trader ID. After that, there is a name. One is Alex, and the second one is my name. It's Kunal Kapoor. So you will be selecting any one of them, and then you are going to make an analyze or calculation, or as per your choice, whatever the numbers you want to put. But that number should be like how much profit one of us is going to make. Now, just suppose if one trader will say that okay, Kunal is going to make 200 today, and Alex is going to make 180. Like you can support only one person, and whosoever will be making the correct or the nearest analysis will be getting a $10 RFT. I'll make sure that these RFTs will be added to your account shortly or as soon as possible. And again, just a quick request, that comment section is already active for you. So if you will be having any doubt, question, query, you can write us there. Me and Alex, we will try to take care of your doubts also. And feel free to share the link of this communication, this conversation with your dear ones also, so that we will be able to connect with more and more people. So, Alex, what's in the list of your ammunition? So, like, which strategy you are going to use today?
Actually, that's a very good
Not
question. So I'll
confrontation,
try
huh?
to.
Not confrontation.
No. Whilst you were speaking, I was actually going through the strategy list to see what I'm going to use today. And for
Mm-hmm.
some reason, you don't have to change. I'm a firm believer of the fact that you don't need to change a winning team, especially
Mm-hmm.
since I made profit the last time. So I'm tempted to still go with the confrontation strategy, and I'm sure our viewers would also be interested in seeing how we apply this, especially for those who weren't able to join. They'll be curious or interested in knowing how this works.
Uh,
Let's fight again.
no worries, no worries. But Alex, I believe that of course that is going to be your complete choice. You can use that one, but I would love to get some of your thoughts on some another strategies also. So, in case, like during the session, if you will be able to spare some time, just try to give some information about some your second favorite strategy also. I'm sure that traders will be more than happy to learn about that also, because they already know that how good you are, with your confrontation. You are like a ninja, and that is you are with your katana. So you're doing great with that one, but I believe that trader would love to know about more another strategies also, but no worries. So today's your weapon is going to be confrontation, right?
I think you just convinced me. So I'm actually going to go with the kind Martin, just so I'm kind today. So
Yes,
I'm not
finally.
going out confrontational. I'm going to be kind. I'm going to be kind. So I'm going to use the kind Martin. And for our viewers who are wondering how this strategy works, or especially for our viewers who are already conversant with its use, so we have the parabolic SAR on top of the price chart, and we have the MACD that is based on the moving average. So we look at the zero level as we have here. Once we have the MACD above, it indicates a projected uptrend, and once it moves below, we do that. So we are going to try using this for some rapid fire deals, and let's see. What about you?
So let me check my strategies also. So just give me a quick moment. One more thing I would love to share with you. So kind Martin is one of my favorite strategy also, because when I started my trading career almost 7.5 years ago, so kind Martin was the first strategy which I have learned. So it's always very close to my heart. So I would love to see your experience on that also. And for me, the strategy which I am going to use, that is going to be Jactar. And in
Okay.
this one we are going to use three different SMAs, 50, 100 and 200, just to make it a bit more easy to understand. So what I will do, I will just remove one SMA. So it's going to be a 50 and 200. At the same time I will add stochastic to that also. So it's you can consider it as a what we call a customized strategy also. So this is something which I am going to pick. So how this strategy is going to work, let me just give you a quick brief about that one, traders. So in this one, SMAs are going to react as a support or resistance. So what exactly I am trying to say, that if the market is trying to move from the upward direction to downward, and if there is any SMA, so that will react as a support. At the same time, if the market is trying to move from downward to upward, and if there is any SMA in the middle, so that will act as a resistance. In case if that level is breached, then we will try to follow this trend. If the market will bounce back, so we will take a trade in the reversal. At the same time, stochastic is going to help us with the overbought or oversold zone, so we will try to explore that. I will try to explain it in a much better way also. Like I believe that so many traders have already joined, and we have already started receiving some signals also. Sorry, some greetings also. So we should kick off today's session. So Alex, again, do the honor. Start like you can start taking your first trade, and then I will following you.
Well, I believe the last stream I started, so I think today you should do me the honor, but a quick one. So I'm going to quickly, especially for our viewers who won't be able to watch me change this. So I usually prefer to use the bars because it's identifies the first bar. You're able to you know check that out and then confirm that with the trend as compared to the histogram. So I think that's the only change I'm going to make for now. And then I'll let you take the first shot and then let's see.
For sure, for sure. So, thank you so much for the honor. So, let me try to pick my first trade. So, traders, the set of rule is going to be like that. Each one of us, we are going to use $20 as a trade amount. We are having the freedom to use at least like max to max two RFTs only, and that is the max which we can do. And you can start making calculation also. You can observe what is my trading account balance is, that is $16,917. Alex, what about your, like what's your account balance?
Well, 9,741. So that's a little almost like yours, like half or 50% of what you have. And I'm looking forward to probably doubling that to meeting your skills. So in this case, I think I'm about to open a position. That is my trade based on the confirmation of the parabolic dot. Let's see.
The reason that why exactly I have asked his balance, traders, I just want to tell you that because that will be more easy for you to calculate. So you can also give us a
Mhm.
accumulated balance also, just as your calculation that Alex, by the end of this session I will be having 17,500, or Alex would be having how much. So that's how you can calculate that also. So but I'm repeating
Mhm.
again, $20 is going to be the trade amount, and that's what we are going to use.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay, so we
so
have a pin bar, so stay out. Let's check
Okay,
out
so
what's
we have started receiving entries also, Alex. So Alex, now you have a fan following on my page also. So there is one trader who said that you will be able to make $200 today. So finger cross.
Thank you.
Yeah. So for me, I got only $50. See, it's like that. I invited you at my place, and now you are the owner of that.
Let's see how it goes. So let's check out trending and your other markets. So
Okay, so on at the same time, we have some greetings also. So there is one trader, Nuna Vajji. He's asking Alex that how are you, and he's very happy to see you.
same here. The
Uh,
pleasure is all mine.
Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. Hello to everyone, guys. What's the time there? So Hazim ji, both of us, we are sitting in different corners. So both of us are having a different time zone. And traders, before you will start diving into that part, like you will try to take some trades. I just want to tell you some one important piece of information that see. It's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss. So make sure you focus on learning part also. It's not only about investing money. Make sure you invest enough time. Second thing, all the trades which we are going to take, whatever we are going to execute during this conversation, that is going to be our responsible. We will that is going to be depending on our skill set. And the third thing, even though this session is live, both of us, we are having a live conversation with you, but there is a telecast gap which lies between 30 seconds to 60 seconds. So there is a possibility that the trade which I will be opening or Alex is going to open right away in front of you, that will be visible to you after 30 seconds. So please avoid copy trading and just focus on the strategy part so you will be able to use it later. So I'm too tired.
So here we see the parabolic dots on top of the chart. We have the MACD also below the zero level. So meaning bearish momentum is still building, which is quite good. So just looking at the chart pattern, let's say if we have um let's see. Oh, one of my favorite assets, the Asian Composite Index. So let's
Yeah, it's
see.
mine also.
Nice. So I think the bars
Okay.
are really strong. So continue with the trend.
But I
Let's
believe the
see.
market is stuck somewhere in the resistance.
Mm-hmm. So let's see. Okay.
Okay, so let me also showcase mine also. So I missed one. So traders, so far I have opened three trades. My last trade GBP USD is looking like it might go to the negative side because this level is already breached, and I missed to open another position. But my two trades, let me show you. So this is the first one, AUD CHF. On this one, I have opened two back-to-back trades at two different levels, and both trades were positive. So far my score is 2 out of 3. What about you, Alex?
In my case, let's check it out. So, so I have one already and potential refund.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Yeah.
nice. So let's see. We will keep on looking for different signals, and wherever we will be getting any opportunity, we will try to grab it. And at the end of the session, whosoever will be making more profit, he will be sharing it with the another trader also. Okay.
No problem.
Because I want to make sure that I will end up with some profits also today.
We have to. I think our viewers definitely want us to make profits because they are watching how these strategies build out. And trust me, they're actually super simple. No need to, fixing a lot of indicators that might end up confusing you. So here, for instance, probably on the second parabolic dot, just as the main rule of entry stakes. So I might go with three times the time frame. Ideally, or sometimes I do recommend 3 to 5 minutes for like on a 1 minute time frame. But then since this stream, oh, so we made profit. How come the Asian Composite Index? Okay, I think we still have some time
Mm-hmm. You're
remaining on
nice,
that.
nice, nice.
So if we
Perfect,
have,
perfect.
I believe. Mhm. And how is it going on your side?
So for at my side, the weather is not that quite pleasant, but it's looking so far fine. And let me just show you my screen also, traders. So this is my screen, which is visible now, right away. So far out of three, as I've already mentioned, one was negative GBP USD. So let me show you that also. So what exactly happened? I just considered this level as a resistance, but the market breached that level, and after that, the market was keep on piling up, and two more trades are already in the pipeline, crypto composite and USD JPY. Market is still quite far, so almost two more candles are there to go. Let's see if these will go positive or not, otherwise I might switch to some another strategy. And in the meantime, I want to explore some more assets also. I'll try to shuffle my cards. Let's see how exactly it works. Okay, so this can be considered as a nice signal. No, but I am quite late for that one. Astro Index, CAD. Okay, so on compound also, market is quite far. This can be considered as a nice signal. So the traders, let me explain this signal. Let me explain this strategy again. So I have tried to taken this trade near to this 200 SMA. So market was trying to approach that one. At the same time, I can observe on the stochastic also that market is already in the overbought zone. So there can be a price correction every any moment. And traders understand one more thing, that these are just some mathematical calculation based technical tools. So 100% accuracy is not promised at all. So make sure you work on your risk management and money management also. Do not invest complete capital in a single trade, so that you will be able to stay longer in the market. My crypto composite went negative, and USD is also not looking so good. I believe that I need to use my RFTs now, but let me check that what exactly happened in this trade. Okay, so market was stuck in this level and then bounced back. USD JPY again negative, so almost I am having a 50-50 ratio for now, and I will try to move to another assets. Hmm, this is already on the oversold zone, but I'll wait for the another signals. Okay, Alex, what about you?
Well, I'd say today I'm being kind, but then out of, I think it's 50-50. As yeah. So I already have, I'm down by $40, but then I'm
Hmm.
quite, I believe, you know, in trading, it's not about the number, it's about how you're able to recover. So I believe that we'll be able to recover because the market is kind of looking kind of sketchy this afternoon. And maybe I'm also tempted to also change my strategy because
Hmm.
probably maybe the strategy feels I'm being too kind today.
And let me guess
So
which strategy you are
yeah,
going to use. So I think you are going to use confrontation, right?
you thought as much.
Don't be so cruel, huh?
Yeah, so let's see if Kind Martin is actually cool with me today. Depending, I think today's market situation is fairly stable or very good. So yeah, maybe I might not be, compelled to use confrontation, but let's see.
No. Feel free to use the one which you want to use, because as we have already decided, so whosoever will be making more profit, so he will be sharing with another trader. So I'm quite fine with that also.
Mhm.
And
So I'm
let's
today
let's
down.
yeah, so let's take some comments also. So there are a few greetings for me and you, of course. Apart from that, so there is one comment that how to get more and more risk-free trades. So Naveen ji, for that one, all you just need to stay active on the platform. So the more trades you will take, the more XP points you will be getting, and that will help you to move ahead on your traders way, and you will be getting risk-free trade. Now there is one more catch. You are going to get XP behind a negative trade or positive trade both, but try to focus on the positive one, because with that one, of course, you are going to make profits also, and at the same time, the number of XP is going to be more. Okay, so this is the best way to get some RFTs. Apart from that, then what is the name of the strategy? So Bhagwan Singh ji, Alex is using Kind Martin. Now he's thinking to use confrontation, one of my favorite strategy, and I'm using Jacktar along with the stochastic. So for me, you can consider it as a customized strategy also. So that's how we are going to use. And let me see a few more comments. Sir, please, how can I connect my trade page? Just when you can, I know the news. Just 1 second, guys. I just scroll it a bit and. Hmm. Okay. So where is it? Okay. So how I can join your group, Mr. Kunal? Super Ali. Aliji, we wish that in case in future if we will come up with something, then of course we would love to invite you, and then of course you can also connect with us. Take trades without using RFT. Bhagwanji, we are going to use maximum two RFTs in case if we believe that there is so much volatility, because US market is about to be open. And traders, one more thing, that FOMC news are going to be published today, so make sure you stay focused on that also. And what else we have? Hello, sir. I can show myself. Nice. Hello, Kunal sir. Good. I'm good, Saruji. And so, Alex, today I have one of my friend also. So he's stating that I will be the winner today.
Oh, so that's a balance.
So today I am the one who is having more well wishes. So I believe that I will be the one who will be competing today. And let me share this piece of information again. So me and Alex, both of us are having a trading battle. So I have shared the link for that one in the description also. It's mentioned in the comment section as well. Just pick that link, open the Google form, and try to conclude that who is going to make profit and how much it is going to be. Whether you are supporting Alex or me, just you can select the name and then select the put the amount, and whosoever will be making a correct or the nearest analysis will be getting a $10 risk free trade. So make sure you take benefit of that one, because that is going to be a win-win situation. You will be getting information, mindset, two strategies, and at the same time RFTs also. And Alex, one quick help I am looking forward from your side. So there is one trader who is asking that which strategy Alex is using. So if you can explain your strategy again, or if you want to move to confrontation, feel free to, and then explain that one.
So I'm currently using the Kind Martin strategy. I believe it is available at the advanced status that is on the platform. So you have that here. It's flexible, that is you're able to apply to the fixed time mode and the FT mode. The default mode, that is, this is how basically how it works. So you look at the position of the parabolic dot. If it is on top of the chart, it represents a projected downtrend in the market, and also with the MACD as well. So here I switch from the histogram, like from the traditional chart type to the histogram bars, just because I want to be able to identify right when the bars cross below the zero level as we have here. So depending on the direction of the bars, it gives a clear direction of where the market is projected to go. That is 3 times or 5 times your current time frame. So as you can see, I'm currently using 1 minute time frame. And then for my trade duration, I'm using 3 minutes. That is times three. So I'm able to identify the chart patterns before making an entry, whether if it's a good time to enter or it's a bad time. So the rule of application, usually I usually enter based on the second parabolic dot. That is once it confirms the trend, and then align that with the MACD. So here, for instance, there is a clear indication. We have the dots on top of the chart and the bars also below. So I'll go for 3 minutes here as well. And yeah, so there's a quick video on how it works. And yeah, so the period actually sets to default on the platform. I believe, Kunal, I believe you hosted a session on the Kind Martin, if I'm not mistaken, quite recently.
Yeah. Yes. I have hosted like multiple times. So traders, you can explore the playlist. I have already talked about the same strategy in the past also. In case, like, if you want to get the information from Alex itself, so of course I'm going to keep this session available on the playlist, in the English playlist. And Alex is also coming live every now and then on Olymptrade Global. And this is the another channel, Olymptrade Practice. So make sure you subscribe both of them, so that you will be able to connect with both of us. And whenever we will be coming live, or we will be sharing some information, you will be able to get full out of it.
Yeah.
So let me try to grab a few more opportunities also. So let me just check that one, how the things are going on my side. So traders, for me, I tried to take, like, these three trades were negative, that euro AUD was a positive. So all in all, it's a 50-50 ratio going on so far. And at the same time, will might be using RFTs in case if required, because US market is about to be open and we can expect some sudden volatility. I'm not stating that there will be, or like, in US market you can't make profit. That is completely fine. There are so many traders, those who are making, but I am quite lazy sometimes, so I'm not that used to make some changes with the strategies, or with my setup. So that is the reason that I am always used to take some precautions. This is the way which I trade, but that is also going to be completely up to you. At the same time, I have opened another opportunity in Mahajantram in the upward direction for $20 3 minutes. So right now, the strategy which I have applied, I am using the trade duration for almost 6 candles. So this is the approach right away which I am following. And let me open another trade in AUD USD OTC. And traders, one more thing, that both of us, we are trying to grab max to max opportunity. The reason behind that, we just want to show you that how these strategies are working, and how you can use set of mindset to make profits. But for you, there are no such compulsion, no need to take back to back trades. Make sure you execute one trade, wait for the result, whether it is positive or negative. Like, if the trade is positive, if you want to increase your trade amount, it's not quite compulsory. But in case if you wish to, then of course make sure you use your money management. At the same time, if the trade is negative, you must use your risk management, just to make sure that everything is streamlined. So this is the best which I would suggest. At the same time, make sure you practice this strategy on your demo account first, to get grab a hold on that one. Once you will be able to confirm that everything is working fine for you, you are able to work with that one, feel free to take it to your live account. This is the best advice which I want to give you. Alex, what about you? Any thoughts on that?
Same, I couldn't agree any less. I think it's actually spot on. So we wait for the results, and as you can see, I'm actually following the trend. So I'm looking at loss compensation as well. However, I'm not applying the martingale strategy because of just like you mentioned, the US session is about to open, and that definitely comes with some volatility. So if in case if you open rapid fire this like anyhow, I believe you'd end up losing more. That is, you wouldn't be able to analyze the trend quite carefully. So in any case, you wait. Once you know that you're in a comfortable lead, that is, the trade is guaranteed to close in profits, then why not? You can, consider going with another one.
True,
In my case,
100%
for
agree with
instance,
that
yeah,
one.
yeah. So I have one risk-free trade just applied to that. As you can
Mm,
see, I got a refund. So, well, it looks quite balanced.
nice. But today, I believe I have more. Okay, so if I talk about the chart, like the table from where I am getting the confirmations, Alex. So let me tell you that today both of us are having equal, what we call, supporters. So three entries for you, three entries for me. So let's see how this session is going to end up. And there is one very interested comment I just saw, but I believe that he okay. So there is one comment, Alex, I would love to share with you also. So there is one trader, Mr. Kauser. He's saying that there are they're experts. I don't think they are expert. They both are doing accounts, finish, clear that, so they can earn. So Kausaji, first I would love to reply on that one. And Alex, if you wish to add something, of course you can add after that. So Kausaji, one thing I just want to share with you, that uh, if you think that we are just trying to wipe out your capital or something like that, then why we are spending so much efforts, why we are conducting sessions and everything is going to be free of cost, and at the same time why we are asking you to start with the minimum amount or stay with the lowest amount. Of course we should ask you that, okay, start increasing your capital, start making trades with higher amount, because the reason behind it, the more profits you are going to make, the more profit the platform is going to make. Let me just give you a quick brief information about that one, that we are also conducting group sessions, we are also conducting one-to-one Zoom sessions and YouTube sessions. These are one of them, and all these services are going to be free of cost. So that is the reason that I don't think that like you should have a such feel. But still, if you have any doubt, like you that is more than welcome. We would love to help you with all your concerns. What do you want to share about that, Alex?
Yeah, I think all is clear, especially based on explanations that you've already given. We aren't providing any financial information or recommendation to open a trade in any direction. All what we are doing is to test out the strategies available and based on our current trading skill set to test and just so they see. So from what I believe the commenter mentioned, you can see that I have losses. So it's not all green. There are refunds in there. They can see the application of the risk free trade. So it's quite practical, just like they also trade in there. And yeah, I think you've actually said it all.
So for me, the success ratio is somewhere still at 50-50. So for me, it's going fine so far, like not too good, not too bad. And I believe that I'm also planning to use one of my risk-free trade, because last time I missed using both of them. So I think I should use at least one. Okay.
I've already used one.
Mm-hmm. Nice, nice. So let me I used my RFTs, but on a asset, but with that was having very less profitability. No worries.
Wow.
So my one is already used. Let me try to grab the another opportunity. And Alex, do you wish to share some information on the FOMC? So today FOMC is going to be published.
Yeah, I'm actually, usually, especially this festive season, I try to stay out of these market news.
It's something similar to me also, that whenever I'm about to go for something like that, like off season, like something like a vacation, so I'm also not paying much attention. But I just want to give a quick just a moment, just 1 second, guys. Alex, please just take care. I just need 1 minute to fix it.
Okay, no problem. So, guys, as you can see, so here we have a non-correlation that is in terms of the direction for the two indicators, that is the parabolic SAR. So from what you can see the dots below the price chart indicating a potential uptrend in the market. However, in terms of the MACD, on the MACD, we have the bars, if I'm not mistaken, below the price chart. So in this case, I believe the best thing to do would be to stay out and wait for a confirmation. That is if all direction, that is if the parabolic SAR and the MACD bars align. And so in this case, I guess let's see what is happening on the USD CAD. Okay, so it's definitely probably a very good time. So down with one. Let's see how it went. Wow, that was really close. That was really close, but no problem. I think we'll still get very good entries. So here we have a refund, a potential refund, but we still have a minute more to go. So let's see where this will lead. So here, for instance, we have a correlation between the bars as we have here, and the parabolic SAR. So most likely on the second parabolic dot, if we have that, I'll definitely make an entry. And the pattern as well, I definitely hope we don't have a pin bar. So, okay. So here we have the chart, and then as you can see, I'm going times 3. of my current time frame. So let's see. Okay, so let's continue with the trend. Let's go with the flow. And just hoping to recover, to recoup whatever has been lost. So we still look out for different assets, different market situations because they all work differently. And also in terms of the code. So let's see profitability, high retentions. I'm looking forward to making profits. Let's still check out the Asian Composite Index. We are still close, but I believe we have 2 minutes more to go. So let's try something else. Zoom out from here. And let's see. So Asian Composite Index is quite volatile at this moment. I was hoping would have three dark horses based on the pattern. But then if we, okay. So we'll wait for another confirmation. So USD, that was a bit far off. But then we try again. So I have loss here. Let's try once again. Maybe on something totally different. Some commodities. Let's see. Try the commodity compound. So here as well, we don't have a correlation. Let's see from once again what you have from. Oh, Kuda, you are back.
I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry for this inconvenience. So there was some internet connectivity issue, I believe. I hope you missed me, huh?
I think so.
So, what's the score? How much money you made behind me?
I see. I'm still
Don't lie, huh?
down. Yeah, but let's see.
Because today
So
we
this
are
was
going to
really
share it.
close. Yeah, I've really had some very close shots, especially on the Asian Composite Index. So these were actually quite close.
Ah,
You're quite close, as you can see. So a point. But then I think this is why there is the need to also activate the flat market protection, just so if
mhm.
your forecast or prediction is down by let's say 1 point, you'd be able to get a refund. But then since I mentioned I was going to be kind today, I didn't want to dive into the whole nitty gritty of trying to safeguard everything. I'm definitely going down with a 200 US dollars profit today.
Okay. So before I'll start talking about my trades also. So I have a quick comment from one of our viewer, Alex. I want to talk about that also. So there is one trader whose name is Darshan. He's facing some difficulties with one of his deposits. So Darshan, I request you just connect with the support team. They will be the best one to help you with your deposit concerns, because we guys, both of us are from the VIP department. So the major hold we have, that is on the trading. So what if you have any concerns regarding that one, feel free to ask us. We would love to dive into that one. At the same time, support team, you can connect them via chat or via email, support dash en or support dash hi at olymptrade.com. You can write on any one of them, and they would love to help you with that one. And Bhagwan ji is asking that what's your score signal for Kunal up in crypto composite. Okay, so for me, sir, so far I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 trades. One was with this RFT, and rest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Five are profitable, four negative, and one within no profit, no loss, because there was a risk free trade I have used. What about you, Alex? What's your score overall?
Overall, let's see. I think the list goes on and on. So let's see. Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
I already opened some deals, so let me try to just to the start of the stream. So I have one here. So one, two, three, four, five, six. A refund. So that'll be like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 positives, that is 11 profits with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's like on a ratio of, let's say, 55, 45, or let's say 60, 40.
I think today I'm doing good, huh?
Yeah, today's
No worries,
probably,
no worries.
because
Whenever I will be coming live, so you can join me in live also. I will try to teach you some more strategies.
I'd love to. I'd really love to.
But to be honest, Alex, like I am used to some, like whenever I'm free, so I'm used to watch your videos also on Olymptrade Global channel, and I would love to say one thing, that sometime, like I have also spent so much time in the trading, but sometime when I am observing your strategy, so I am used to come up with some new set of rules which you are following, and those are doing very great for me sometimes. So I would love to say thanks to you in front of everyone, that sometime you are using some strategies in a different mindset, and these are helping a lot for me. And traders, make sure you also subscribe his channel also. He's coming live on Olymptrade Global, I am coming live on this channel also, Olymptrade Practice. So whichever channel you haven't explored so far, make sure you subscribe both of us and be part of the family. So whenever we will be connecting with you guys, with you people, so of course you will be able to connect with us, and we will love to help you, because this is the only motive both of us are having, that to connect with more and more traders and help them with their trading concerns. And at the same time, we have received a few more entries also. Again, we are having a 50-50 ratio. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 entries for Alex, 4 entries for me. So I believe, Alex, today both of our supporters are praying same for us, and we are having the equal
Mhm.
amount. And Jay Mataji is asking again, Alex to share his strategy. So Jay Mataji, Alex is using Kind Martin. He has already explained it twice. So you can just scroll the session back and you will be able to get it from there. At the same time, you can explore the playlist also. We have talked about this strategy multiple times in the past also. So you would love, I'm sure that you would be getting all the required information. At the same time, traders, in case if any of the strategy, like I am using Jactar, Alex is using Kind Martin, so if any of this strategy is logged for you, make sure you do not buy the strategy, because these strategies can be applied manually also. So make sure you use them from there also, itself. Just go to the technical analysis and you will be able to grab it from there. And Alex, I'm sure that you can see my screen, so you can see how many trades I have made back to back positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth one is already going in the positive side. So I believe today I am the winner. So uh, but one thing, I just want to rephrase again. So I think you might have heard that I was trying to say that we will be sharing our profit or something like that. I was talking to someone else, not with you, huh? Yeah.
Markets is always such its up and down days. So why not, probably maybe today isn't the right day for me. But then I believe I'll definitely come back for another rematch.
See, so like overall, the score is like 1-1. Last time I just gave you the opportunity to win that one, and today I have already told you that I'm not going to be soft anymore, because you are not any guest anymore on my channel, so you are also part of the family. So now we are going to treat you like that. So okay, sir. Okay, so Jai Mataji, Alex and me, we both of us, we are conducting sessions on YouTube only. So we are not conducting much one-to-one sessions. So I'm so sorry for that. We will not be able to do that. We will not be able to serve for that. But in case in future, if something will come up and we will start doing that, then we would love to help you with that. In the meantime, I'm sure that you must be having your a personal financial analyst also, so you can have a conversation with them. They would love to help you with all your trading concerns. And traders, let me tell you, share that piece of information again, that every now and then we are conducting sessions on YouTube. This is the official channel. So we have two channel, Olymptrade Global and Olymptrade Practice. Make sure you subscribe both of them. Apart from that, in case if you are on expert levels, then there is a exclusive service which is only for the expert level holders, where you will be getting a personal analyst who will be holding 8 to 10 year of even more than that experience, and they will be conducting one-to-one sessions. Each session is going to be free, so no need to pay anything for that one also. And I believe that for this information, I expect there will be some reactions, or there will be some emojis you guys will be dropping. And in case if you're on expert level, make sure your contact number is also updated on your profile, so that we will be able to get in touch with you, we will be able to call you. At the same time, in case if your contact number is already updated but you didn't receive the call, or that call went to the spam because that call was starting with +44 number, or because of any xyz reason we were not able to get in touch, and even though your like what we call the level on the platform is also decreased, like you have moved to the starter or advanced, still you can avail that service if you have reached on expert. Or even if you are an advanced level holder, you can have one session in a month. For that, all you just need to do one thing: just drop an email message or via call. Just tell the support team that you need guidance in trading, please raise a callback request. Share your contact details with them. Please avoid sharing details, personal details, in the comment section. Just share it with the support team, they will forward that request to us, and then someone from my team will come into the picture and we will line up your session. And again, I'm confirming one more thing again and again, that whether you are going to take one session or 1000, all sessions are going to be free of cost, so make sure you take full benefit of that. Okay, so there is one more entry for Alex, that Alex will end up this session by making 220 profit. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so we still have almost 4 to 5 minutes. So Alex, any more piece of information, like any useful set of rule you would love to share with our viewers?
What I would say is, well, the market rewards preparation. So in any case, you definitely can't start trading without understanding whatever tools you are using. And if you can see from my screen as well, as you can see, it's all about using the rules, like I believe rules of engagement, or however you would like to describe it. However, you'd realize that it comes with preparation. So there's always the need to actually activate your demo account, open a couple of trades, test out the strategies, try to understand how to apply it, which time frame works best on it in terms of the duration as well. And then try to limit your trade amount as well. As you can see, we have funds in the account. That's probably, maybe you can open like 100 bucks, 100 US dollars per trade, or 50. But in this case, we've actually limited ourselves, that is to 1 to 5% of our account balance. And I do recommend that, because in any case, you wouldn't feel a huge impact in case if you have a drawdown. And yeah, just let's just join. I think once we have some of these sessions, it becomes a lot easier. So I'd really encourage our viewers to continue, watching and train out their questions. That is how to apply these strategies, or when it's probably a good time to trade. And I believe they'll be able to take their trading to the next level.
True, true, true. 100% agree with this piece of information. Traders try to focus on that part. That trading is not only about investing money; it's also about investing time. And investing time means that you should also take care about your technicals and everything. And at the same time, as Alex already mentioned, it's also about patience. One of my mentor, he told me once that trading is not like a sprint; it's like a marathon. The longer you will be able to hold your breath, the more distance you will be able to cover. So that is distance here, is that is your capital, how much you are going to make. And the breadth is like the deposit amount which you have made. It's not always about that whether you have made a big deposit or small deposit. It's always about that how you are using it. So make sure you take full benefit of that one. And let's try to conclude today's session. So for me, I have booked somewhere around, let me see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 trades so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 was negative, and one was with the no profit, no loss, because I have used my RFT. So almost 9 trades positive.
Mm-hmm.
Two more trades are already in the pipeline. So let me just calculate my amount so that we can, disclose the winner for today's session also, that who will be getting a $10 RFT. So that I have made a profit somewhere around, just give me a moment. So it's going to be somewhere around uh, 60, and that will be around, it's close to 100. I have managed to book a profit. And for today's session, the winner who made the nearest analysis is going to be the trader ID 13224140. I'm repeating the trader ID again. It's 13224140. So if the winner is still available in the session, I just request you, please confirm your name and also confirm if the trader ID is correct. Please confirm your name also so I can give you a quick shout out. And I believe that today the session is about to be wind up. So I'm just waiting for that if the trader is still available in the comment section. So we can just give a shout out. So before we wind up today's session, Alex, any last words you want to share with you with the traders?
Well, I'd say it's a pleasure to have joined you today. As you can see, today was your day. But then I believe since trading rewards preparation and constant practice, I do encourage our traders to also continue practice, just like we're already live on Olymptrade practice, practice with the account managers. And yeah, I wish everyone to trade smart, trade with confidence, and stay up ahead. And check out our new video also coming up on YouTube Global. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section as well, and give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, thank you so much, Alex, also for sparing so much time and staying with me to help my viewers, or in fact to help our viewers in their trading concerns. So one last comment I would love to take, and then we will wind up, Alex, today's conversation. So there is one trader who just asked me that how they can make an account on the platform. So they just need to download the application either from the Apple Store or from the Android, or they can just log in via browser also, and from there onwards they will be getting all the information. And today's winner's name is Mr. Lakshman Reddy. So Lakshmanji, thank you so much for sparing time, joining us, and also supporting me also. So my congratulations to you. I'll make sure that you will be getting your $10 RFTs as soon as possible, and I'm sure that your trader ID is correct. I'm repeating it again. So that was, just a moment, where it is. So that was 13224140. I hope this is the correct one. And traders, before also I will wind up today's conversation, I request you, make sure whatever the strategies you have learned today or from any of your analysts or from any source, make sure you practice it on your demo account also, because I have repeated it multiple times. Trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So make sure you invest enough time. Make sure stay healthy, stay fit. Keep learning, keep earning. Thank you so much again. This was your host, Kunal Kapoor and Alex. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.
Cheers. Bye bye.